Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily turn on network adapter for your Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in Windows 11, write in search and right here control panel. When you're going to click on the control panel, you want to click on network and internet. Now then network and sharing center. And when you're going to click on network and sharing center, you want to click change adapter settings. And then you're going to have like the Wi-Fi here, and you want to right click here and disable or enable. So you right click on it and enable on the connection that you're going to be having there. So this is how you can easily turn on the network adapter for Windows 11 and turning on the network adapter for Windows 11. If this video was helpful, you can also write down below in comments for other people when they will come here, so they know that it's like worth it to watch it. Thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.